Yeah, we talked about this yesterday, how we'd get a wave of showers and storms in the morning, and then if we can get enough sun and heating in the afternoon and evening, we'd see some scattered storms with an isolated severe threat. And that's what we've got going on. We've had some sunshine today, especially in the southwest half of the viewing area, and we've got some tornado warnings on these storms to our southwest. Severe thunderstorm warnings to those storms northwest of Evansville, and our own storms kind of forming off to the west here in eastern Illinois, just east of Champaign. There's the tornado warnings to our south. These storms are pulsing up, as are these up towards Kankakee, and these are all working eastward. So as we head into the evening, an isolated severe weather threat will exist, and because of the directional wind shear, there's actually quite a bit of it today. Can't rule out a very isolated weak tornado. That's the main threat with this, or maybe a little very small hail. As we go to our Renaissance cam, looking over the Wabash River, the silver maple leaves upturned by the strong south winds we've got in place, and temperatures are running at 76 in Lafayette and Monticello, 77 Attica and Crawfordsville, and we're going to be in the mid to upper 70s this evening with some scattered storms, even some scattered storms to 9 before things start to diminish well after dusk. Southwest wind 66 at 11 o'clock. So there's your isolated severe threat this evening. That'll diminish overnight. Could be a little patchy fog early tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow afternoon with the heating of the day, the sun coming out, and temperatures warming up, scattered storms developing, and a few of those could be severe as well. Now, over the weekend, we look pretty capped and hot, but we do need to watch storm clusters to our north and our northwest, because there are indications that some of these may sideswipe at least parts of the viewing area as we head in to the weekend. We'll have more on that here in just a second. Lows tonight, pretty close to 60, though low 60s in our southwest, 62 Lafayette, 61 Frankfort, 59 Rochester, and tomorrow kind of a variety of temperatures. Atlanta down towards Indianapolis, Kokomo 80, 81, 79 Rochester, but where we maximize that sun will be in the mid 80s here, Lafayette, westward towards Pence and Pine Village. And we'll track the storms for tomorrow with Futurecast. First of all, notice the activity winding down this evening. A little clearing overnight, a little fog early tomorrow morning. A lot of sunshine at 1 p.m. tomorrow. Clouds bubbling up, temperatures warming up. And then notice the storms pop tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. And again, a few of these could be severe, but then they fade out tomorrow evening. And then it really starts to heat up towards Friday. So here's another look, a broader look with the outlook here. Again, notice as we get into the day tomorrow, there's your scattered severe threat in the afternoon and evening. Now on Friday, a lot of this is going to move to our northeast. We'll keep an eye on that. 90 for the high. As we get into Saturday, it really heats up. Low 90s, and again, there are going to be several clusters of severe storms just north of us, and some of the models want to break one of these off and bring it into the viewing area. We're going to wait. I want to wait and see about that, because my confidence is pretty low on that right now. I'll have to keep an eye on that. 93 Sunday into Monday before the main cold front comes through Tuesday. That'll take the 90s away, at least for a little while. 87 after that, though, on Wednesday. And there you have the 90s, really, as we head into the weekend, turning hot. So we've held the 90s off for a while, but we're not going to be able to do that very much longer as the warm front comes through. And again, be aware of the isolated severe weather threat for the evening hours.
Okay, very good, Chet. Thank you.
Okay.
Well, they're called fire pots, and they're all the rage for outdoor decorating, but are they safe?
Firefighters say no. Still to come, we'll hear what makes them